What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of doing the air suspension for the GTR. Last time we got the fronts done, now we're going to be working on the rears. So what we're going to be doing today is installing the rear suspension, I should say airless suspension for the GTR. Hopefully we can get this done really fast. We got Aaron back here with us working on the car today too. So before we get to installing the air suspension for the GTR, if you guys could do me a favor, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for post notifications. You guys do not want to miss the wide body GTR build. Also, smash the like button, drop a comment. It'll really help push the video out. So now with that being said, let's get to work. I lied. We forgot to air out the back. Oh, how sick would have that been if we just let it... Oh my goodness. Of all the things that we're doing sketch, this is probably one of the most sketchy things right here.
To mind everybody out there, like I'm like 220 pounds and we're like adding to it with like one jack and one jack stand in this thing.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Little to the right, up. Wait, lift it up. To the right, or your right, your left, your left. Yeah, oh, nope. Back up. There, yeah, there we go. Question is, why does Nissan put everything in the most tightest space ever, dude? We'll pick up the camera as soon as we get this figured out.
Look at us, man, professional.
So what are we doing?
This is the only way I can evenly distribute my weight on this thing. Okay, I'm using my phone to record this because I just can't bring the camera in. But literally, bro, this is ridiculously cramped. I think the next time, whenever we're gonna do an install for suspension for the GTR, there's like almost guaranteed that we're gonna take off the front seats now because this is just super cramped. Like literally, my butt is against the seats. Oh, let's get this out.
It's a boy.
All right, everything is in. I'm profusely sweating. That was ridiculously, I swear to God, I was like a sauna in there. But we're gonna go ahead and put all of this down. We might do a little bit of adjusting with the height just for a little bit. Oh yeah, let's put some air in it. Yeah, let's put air in it too before we forget. Whoa.
That's tall.
Oh yeah, it's sitting a lot taller now. That's a good thing though, because I need the extra room to give and take.
Okay, so what are we doing first? Max height, max low.
Let's go max height. Actually, let's go low first. Let's get a good start up.
Back first, front first.
Let's go back. Yep. What PSI are you at?
We are at 30.
30?
30.
Okay, let's keep going. Keep going. That's zero? Oh, imagine this with the actual wide body on. I think we're like way lower now because we're literally like right inside frame. Quadruple zeros all the way around. Bro, this is gonna be hella low. It's sitting a lot lower than before now. Bro.
That's the rear. Oh, that's the front.
Oh, that's front. Yo, imagine if we didn't cut the car.
That's eating.
That would have been like hiding. I think we should take it down the driveway. If we can get enough clearance already, then it should be good. We're setting it to about max pressure all the way around just to see if I can clear my driveway. We got the front bumper on because that's basically, if we can clear the front bumper, we can clear anything else. We went ahead and threw on the side skirts again just so we can have better feel of clearing the driveway. Looking at it now, it's way taller than before. All right, move it down. Move it down.
No, give me that camera. You're good. You're good. Hey, that's actually too funny. Give me 5 psi. Go down 5. Gone.
Oh my god, guys. We still got more room to go. I guess the main thing now is that we gotta have to make sure that the bags can hold pressure. So I think for the next night, or for the next 24 hours I should say, I just want to have the car up with a little bit of pressure just to make sure that it can hold the pressure in the lines. But other than that, guys, she's low. She's hella low. Well, mission accomplished. Now we can finally go ahead and clear my driveway. That was like the main reason why I wanted to do airlift, is because I get to kind of adjust the ride height through the strut as well. With using the stock struts, I couldn't really have that adjustment because the only adjustment I would have was through the bag. But with Airlift Performance's suspension, I'm able to adjust the height from the bag and the strut itself. So that makes a huge difference. But shout out to Airlift. Thank you guys for sending me the kit. One more thing down, a lot more to go. But we still have a lot more work to do. But I'm super glad we finally got all of the airlift stuff done. And the fun part, putting back the interior. I'm probably not gonna do that today. It's way too hot right now to do that. All right, so it's about a couple days after filming the air suspension install for the GTR, but we have it back on jacks again. As you guys can see, the front left side is disassembled. Now, if there's one thing that I was expecting, but I just wasn't hoping that it was gonna happen, was to have another curveball. But this curveball is probably the worst curveball yet. So here we have the front axle of the GTR. Back when we did the install, me and Aaron found that the boot, or the CV boot of the axle, was actually torn, which kind of explains why there was a lot of grease hanging around where the axle was. What we thought was just going to be an easy change out for the CV boot. Just take it off, grease it, and slap it back on. But after taking off the CV boot, it exposes the bearings. This ring should be on here. And if you guys look really closely, if my thing can focus, you see like these splines on the inside of the ring? That's the actual bearings itself. That assembly right there should look the same thing down here. What we noticed was that there was a lot of bearings just all cluttered up in here. And as you guys can see now, they're all over the place. So now I do have a few options, but they are expensive options. At most, this is gonna charge me a $3,000 change out for the front axles. Usually one thing for me, if I do one thing on one side, I usually like to do the same to the other side. So one of the options is to have Nissan go ahead and order the new front axles, both left and right, but that's gonna cost me the most, and I really don't want to spend $3,000. And probably they might even charge me more, because honestly, just to have the bearings ordered when I called them, Nissan wanted $550 just for the bearing itself. That's only the part I need. Everything else on the axle is fine. And honestly, $3,000 is just an estimation for an OEM part for the OEM axle of the GTR. I'm probably gonna assume there's gonna be a little bit more, but aftermarket ones, I know DSS makes them, they go for like about $1,200 to $1,500. All I need is just this bearing right here. I already have the CV boot, I have the grease already. The front axle is still good, and quite honestly, the axle only has about 24,000 miles. So fortunately, I was able to go through the wormhole of eBay, and I was able to find just one driver's side front axle for the GTR. And if I'm not mistaken, from 2009 to 2017 or 2018, GTR front axles are all the same, so that's a plus. But I just can't believe that we actually ran into this curveball. I'm actually thankful, and maybe that kind of explains why there was a little rattling when I was driving the car and making full crank turns. But again, better safe than sorry. It's gonna push us back again. I don't know what else is to come, but I'm hoping that the axles will come in fairly soon. And another thing, I have no idea where the front tires are. I'm just about ready to cancel the order from the company that I ordered from and just go through Tire Rack, because I should have went through just Tire Rack the whole time, because they've never failed me. But I guess when everything comes in at one time, then we're slapping everything on and it's going on from there. But with that being said, I am gonna end the video with this. I'm officially in the market for another project car. It's gonna be on the cheaper side. It's not no GTR status. It's not gonna be super expensive, but I am in the market for another project car. If you guys know what I'm looking for, or you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know exactly what car I'm looking for. So that's gonna be part of the search while I'm gonna be waiting for all of the parts to come in. Hopefully they all come in, and hopefully we get another project car. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, let me know what project car I should pick up. Also, if you guys can do me a huge favor, please make sure you guys check out my past videos if you guys haven't done so yet. Drop likes and drop comments on all the videos you guys look at. It'll really help push the videos out. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always remember, challenge your standards.